after launching KF-01, which deployed 24 internet constellation satellites for Amazon, is available tomorrow at 11:34 p.m. Eastern Time. But for now, weather is good, with a less than 5% possibility of launch weather conditions of the second stage there on your screen. Now, you may also hear the TE called out as the strongback. Now, the first stage will finish loading propellant at around the T-minus 3-minute mark, and the second stage will finish up about a minute later.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power and liftoff. Go Falcon, go GPS 3-9. Vehicle is pitching downrange. Chamber pressure nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. Now, in just a few moments, we'll be throttling down the engines in preparation for Max Q, which stands for Maximum Aerodynamic Pressure.
Falcon 9 power and telemetry are nominal.
N18G satellite. Now, we're still in the first MVAC burn on the second stage, and landing burn startup of the booster.
Nominal orbit insertion. Landing lift deployed. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And awesome news there, confirmation of
MVAC ignition.
And there we have it, confirmation of SES-2.
Payload deploy confirmed.
And there you have it, successful deployment of the GPS 3-9 satellite. And with successful deployment, we'll be bringing tonight's live mission coverage to a close. We'd like to thank the United States Space Force for entrusting us with today's mission, as well as the Range and FAA for their support. And if you're interested in more launch coverage, head on over to SpaceX.com/launches.